Meaning of funfair.
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 Funfair. A funfair is an outdoor event featuring a variety of rides, games, and attractions. It is typically held during the summer months and attracts large crowds of people, particularly families with children. The rides range from gentle carousels and Ferris wheels to more thrilling roller coasters and spinning rides. Along with the rides, there are often stalls selling food, drinks, toys, and souvenirs, as well as games of skill or chance where visitors can win prizes. Funfairs have a long history dating back to medieval times and remain a popular form of entertainment around the world.